Army veteran will get to sleep comfortably tonight with a new roof over his head. It's all due to a program that helps veterans get their roofs repaired.
KRDO 13's Carla Sosa was able to talk with a veteran about how it feels to be part of this program and a story that's absolutely Colorado.
It's a great improvement, and they're really knocking it out quick. Hard-working group of people.
Michael Stockwell is an Army veteran. He still can't believe he was chosen to get a new roof.
Very nice. I appreciate it. I'm real happy with them over here.
For the past 26 years, Stockwell has lived in the same house. The house was built in 1919. And he knew it was time to get a new roof, but it wasn't in his budget. That changed when he heard about Pikes Peak Habitat for Humanity roofing program.
I checked a couple of times and couldn't afford it at the time. Then I saw Habitat for Humanity do a house behind me. I started looking into it after that.
Just Roofs and Gutters is a company based out of Colorado Springs. The owner, Brian Friend, is a Marine veteran. He started his business 6 years ago. He says he's happy to help out another veteran because he knows how expensive it can be to replace a roof.
The average roof in Colorado is $25,000. And this roof is not a $25,000 roof, but it's substantially expensive, and we're very proud to be at a position now where we can do that.
Friend says he's honored and grateful that he was chosen for this special project.
To be able to help a fellow veteran is exciting. I love being able to do it, and to be able to make his house beautiful again. It's gonna be great.
In Colorado Springs, Carla Sosa, KRDO 13.
Absolutely Colorado is a partnership in your community between KRDO and Gold Hill Mesa.
Nice to have a new roof.